Namaste, I am Sisarchika of 7D. Here to present a video regarding late Mr. K. Palani V. Chakra Gallantry Award winner. Have K. Palani was born on 3 June 1980 and hailed from Kadukallur village in Ramanathapuram district of Tamil Nadu. Son of Sri Kalimuthu and Srimati Logambai, came from a humble family of farmers. An active sportsman during his school days, he always aspired to join the armed forces since his childhood. Eventually, after completing his schooling, he joined the army at the age of 18 years on 29 April 1999. He later completed his graduation while his service through distance education. After putting in a few years of service, he got married to Mrs. Vanati Devi and the couple had a son Prasanna and a daughter Divya. During June 2020, Have K. Palani's unit was deployed in eastern Ladakh close to the line of actual control LAC as a part of Operation Snow Leopard. Since early June, the tension along the LAC was building up due to construction work in Galwan Valley, close to the road going from Leh Daulat Beg Oldi. The Chinese had a serious objection to the construction of a bridge across the Galwan River into the Aksai Chin area. The area held strategic importance to India as well as China. There had been many rounds of talks between senior military officials from both sides to defuse the tensions. On 15-16 June 2020 night, hectic Chinese activities were noticed across the bridge in Galwan Valley, and the Indian Army decided to take up the matter with Chinese forces to ask them to respect the LAC and adhere to the position as agreed earlier during the talks. On the night of 15 June 2020, Havildar K. Palani was a part of a joint patrol of 16 Bihar regiment near line of actual control, which was stopped and challenged by enemy soldiers. This encounter led to a heated argument and a first fight ensued between the two troops. Palani fought the enemies valiantly, but the soldiers on the opposite side soon outnumbered and circled him. Despite that, he stood his ground and defended his comrades bravely. He suffered from grievous injuries but continued to hold his ground and eventually succumbed to his wounds. He laid down his life for his motherland. How late Havildar K. Palani motivates me. Soldiers are the pride of a nation. They are disciplined, courageous, and selfless. Their life is full of challenges and they face every challenge with a smile on their face. Anyone who wants to be a soldier is actually a great soul. We have the privilege of staying in a peaceful environment and focusing on our personal life only because the soldiers are guarding the country round the clock. They ensure a peaceful environment all the time in the country. They are disciplined and work responsibly. The above said all qualities met with Havildar K. Palani, which inspire me to join military force. Till now, we have heard many soldiers saved our nation and they become history. But recently, Kargil War, this Operation Snow Leopard inspires and motivates me a lot to join the military forces because of the below reasons. Desires may be many, but an ambition is a different thing. I have thought long and well about the ambition of my life. I neither want wealth nor fame, name nor power. My only ambition is to serve my motherland honestly, sincerely, and lovingly. There are many ways to serve our motherland. We can serve the country as an engineer, as a politician, and as a doctor. The profession of a teacher is a noble one. An honest teacher is the real builder of the nation. I desire to become a soldier. I feel I can serve my beloved country best in this way. The army life is so full of adventure, discipline, toughness, and risk. All these things attract me most. Wherever the soldier goes, he is received with great respect. A youth in the army uniform with stars and medals fascinates me most. A soldier works with a mission. He is the protector of our honor, wealth, and well being. A soldier never wants a war, but if it is forced upon him, he never looks back. This is fully suits Havildar K. Palani, and he truly followed. I am not sure that I will be qualified for the same in future, but I will put my full effort until my last breath, either as a soldier or any other posts in the military force to serve my nation. A great salute to Havildar K. Palani.